Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more episode of Trade with Edge pre-market report. Again, last week we have seen weak closing. Friday ko bhi market was weak only on back of weak results from many stocks. SBI ने result declare किए, but stock, in spite of good result, stock नहीं चल पाया. So what's happening in this season is, in some time we'll discuss how nearly 66% of NSE 200 stocks have seen downgrade this quarter. So let's start with global markets. Again, back of all the now all news are out. Fed rate, US elections, US market again closed on strong footing. European markets were weak. Asian market may we are seeing a mixed bag. Hang Seng is down, Nikkei is down, Kospi is down, State Times is up. Our gift nifty showing a flattish opening. But if we compare Friday's close, down by 50-60 points. Again, one more week opening is expected. One more reason to that is some bad numbers we have to digest. So Tata Motor ने अपने number declare किए. Profits were down by 11%, revenues were down by 4%, and margin भी 100 बिप से down था. So one more weak number. Asian Paint was a disaster. Profit was down by 46%. Revenue is down by 23%. Margins are down by 560 bips. So big downgrade is on cards. So Jeffries ने कहा है, Jeffries is expecting another 25% down move from here. तो आज ये स्टॉक में मेजर डाउनग्रेड्स आने वाले हैं ब्रोकर्स के, एंड ऑल ब्रोकर्स आर सीइंग अनदर 10 to 20% रेंज में डाउनसाइड इन दिस स्टॉक. So entire sector is going to be in under pressure today. Ola net loss at 495 crores versus 524 crores. Revenues were up by 39%. Divi's Lab revenues were up by 22%. Net profit up by 47%. Margin at 30.6% versus 25.21%. So at least one good number we are able to see. Aarti Industries profit was down by 43%, revenues up by 12%, and margin was down at 12.1% versus 16%. Stock ये numbers market आज में ही आ गए थे. Stock was down by 7%. Huge short built up भी देखने मिला है ये stock में. Again आज today भी ये stock under pressure रहेगा. Metropolis net profit up by 31%, revenues up by 11.5%, but margins were flat. So in inline numbers, Fortis profits were up by 13%, margin expanded by 30 basis points, and it beat the street expectation. Biocon US FDA has classified Parkside unit in Bangalore as voluntary action initiated. So there was a US FDA inspection at Biocon site. So they come out with a not very strong, but they found some discrepancies, but they came out with a voluntary action initiated. So let's see how stock reacts to this news. In a major news, that in this quarter we have seen a biggest EPS downgrade for NSE 200 companies. So 66% of the NSE 200 companies have seen a EPS downgrade, and we can see that's the major reason for underperformance of our indices versus the global markets. So when global market is up, we are constantly going down, backed by bad numbers, EPS downgrades, and obviously FII selling. So important results which are going to be declared today is Azad Engineering, Balrampur Chini, Bank of India, BEML, Britannia Industries, another FMCG stock declaring result, Nalco, Hind Copper, Jubilant Foodworks, NMDC, ONGC. This one nifty stock is declaring result. PG Electroplast, Ramco Cement, Rico Auto, Sri Cement, UPL, and Vishnu Chemical. So let's analyze few stocks before going to our indices view. So if you look at Page Industry, after good numbers, stock is giving a fresh breakout from range. If we see, look at this stock. In 2018, somewhere it made high of 36,000. After this, stock has not performed only. So can this be a start to a new journey towards new high? Because since last 6 years, stock has not performed. And yeah, there is a new swing high breakout. Obviously, this can take it to a high of 55,000, which is next resistance level. Another interesting chart is Indian Hotels. Indian Hotels is another interesting chart. This is giving a swing high breakout, and if we look at, it's a triangle pattern. And yes, I hope it to either test this range and then move up, or we can try a breakout above Friday's high. But yes, this stock will be there on my radar. Volumes were decent. Interesting stock, interesting move. If you look at Paytm has crossed its 2024 high, its last swing high from where it has seen a major selling. Now, next level I'm looking at is 995 level, and if we cross that level, uh, so this stock was listed at around 2000 level, and since then it's witnessing a selling. After that, after because of RBI action, stock ने already another एक down move देखा था. So now all those things are resolved. So can this be a turnaround for this company, or turn of fortune for this company? We have to see it. But yes, chart is showing some positive action. तो इसको एक नेक्स्ट लेवल तक लेके जा सकता है, विच इज 994, एंड ऑब्वियसली ये लेवल के बियॉन्ड हम लोग फर्दर व्यू फॉर्म करेंगे. बट यस, इन अ वीक मार्केट, this stock is showing some strength. In my breakout screener, I'm seeing few stocks which are diagnostic center. Indian Hotels, we already discussed chart. Page Industries, we already discussed chart. Latent View Analytics and Christian Institute. So out of this, Latent View and Vijaya Diagnostic got a. अब निफ्टी ओपन इंटरेस्ट फंड पे अगर व्यू देखे, is equal slightly higher writing in calls में थोड़ा ज़्यादा writing है, put में भी heavy writing है. So it's a mix. OTM side अगर call में देखे heavy built up है, तो we expect index to be in a range. So downside पे 24 23 8 900 range पे एक अच्छा support है, and upside पे 24 200 300 range पे एक heavy resistance है. But looking at the numbers and everything for next 1 or 2 days, I'm looking at a down move. So bias is, data is showing sideways, but with a downside bias. So my bias would be on downside. So I prefer more of a bearish trade. ओपन इंटरेस्ट पे अगर देखें 24,200 लेवल पे कॉल राइटिंग हाईएस्ट है, 24,500 पे हाईएस्ट कॉल राइटिंग है, एंड सेकंड नंबर पे वी कैन सी 24,200, एंड अगेन 24,000 पे एक अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट है. बट यस, डाउन bias is on downside because call writing is much higher than put writing. बैंक निफ्टी में स्लाइटली डिफरेंट डेटा दिखा रहा है, दैट इज हायर call writing and small put unwinding we are seeing from the trap put writers. So this data indicates bearish view. Resistance around 52,000, support around 51,000. So yes, we can expect a 3-400s down move in bank nifty. So let's move to our indices view. So from all the factors like result front, fundamental front, the डेटा फ्रंट से देखे तो व्यू इज इंडिकेटिंग स्लाइटली बेरिश व्यू. तो आज का मेरा लेवल होगा नो ट्रेड जोन बिटवीन 24,200 टू 24,065. Below 24,065 I look at a bearish trade till 23,950 level, and below that even last previous swing high can be tested. Above 24,200 range I might try a long trade, but मेरा conviction in long trade would be less as compared to my bearish trade. So buyers is downside, but I'll play based on levels. तो आज का मैंने शॉर्ट लेवल आपको बता दिया है, बेरिश बिलो 24,065. लेट्स लुक एट निफ्टी बैंक. सो आज मैं निफ्टी बैंक पे ज्यादा फोकस करूंगा. रीजन इज डेटा इज मोर बेरिश इन बैंक निफ्टी, एंड चार्ट वाइज इफ यू लुक एट, कैन वी से दिस कुड बी अ bearish cup and handle? Yeah, maybe. So below 51,480 level, I'll try a short trade. आज मे भी गैप डाउन मिल सकता है. सो लेट्स सी गैप डाउन के बाद अगर थोड़ा रिकवरी आता है, अगेन यहाँ से फॉल आता है, सो आई टेक अ बेरिश ट्रेड टिल 51,180 लेवल, एंड बिलो दैट टिल 50,884 लेवल. माय बुलिश लेवल इज 51,860. ये लेवल के ऊपर मैं बुलिश ट्रेड ट्राई करूंगा, बट विद अ लेसर क्वांटिटी. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे गाइस. बिफोर मूविंग फर्दर, एक ये स्टॉक देख लेते हैं दो जहां पे बेरिश इंडिकेशन मिली. तो आरती इंडस्ट्रीज हैवी शॉर्ट बिल्टअप हुआ था फ्राइडे को ऑन बैक ऑफ वीक नंबर्स. स्टॉक वाज डाउन बाय 8%. आई थिंक फर्दर इसमें 6 to 7% का कट आ सकता है टिल दिस लेवल. तो ये मेरे रडार पे रहेगा फॉर बेरिश ट्रेड्स. एशियन पेंट टुडे ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोइंग टू बी गैप डाउन. अगर गैप डाउन के बाद थोड़ा भी रिकवरी आता है, लुक एट अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड इन दिस ट्रेड, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट first target is 25,60, and below that 2,300 possible, but I expect a gap down around this level only. थोड़ा सा गैप डाउन तो हमें 3-4% का जरूर देखने मिलेगा स्टॉक. अनदर ब्रेकडाउन स्टॉक इज पेट्रोनेट. पेट्रोनेट इज अराउंड ब्रेकडाउन लेवल ऑफ 322. बिलो 322 ये स्टॉक भी वीक हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज लास्ट ब्रेकडाउन लेवल. एक बार सपोर्ट लिया था वहां से, थोड़ा रिकवरी आया, अगेन टेस्टिंग दिस लेवल बिलो 320 लेवल. पेट्रोनेट विल ऑल्सो सेल रडार. थैंक यू गाइस, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आप फॉलो कीजिए चैनल ताकि आपको ये क्वालिटी कंटेंट मिलता रहे. बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए ताकि जब भी नया वीडियो आता है आपको एक. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच.